Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be making a crochet jumper. So I thought I'd just show you what I do and hope that it works out in the end and that it looks cute. So let's get on with the video. So I've been looking at a few different patterns because this one I've just been freehanding, but I think I just need to accept that I need to look at a pattern. So I think this is the sort of style that I'm gonna be doing. So it's basically doing like a big rectangle for the front and then a rectangle for the back, sewing them together, leaving a neck hole and armholes, and then creating the sleeves and then sewing or attaching them on to the body. I'm going to be looking at this tutorial by Marie Castro. So you can see that she's just created like giant rectangles for the front, and she's got like the back as well, and then she just attaches it. So I'm going to try and follow this pattern and see if it works. Not in the same style. I want to do this blue stripy style. So yeah. I'm just looking at what I made earlier, and before I thought it might be too big, but I think this might actually work, so I don't have to unravel it and redo it all. Just added on 2 extra rows to make this the length I want. So yeah, I did the 40 chains and then did 2 extra chains to start the first double crochet. So 22 rows up, and now I'm just going to do a bunch of stitches up sort of here and then here on the other sides to make space for the neck, sort of like this. Please excuse my pajama trousers. But I've just started to make the neck shape. I just wanted to see how it's going to fit. That will probably work, so we're going to do the same on the other side. I did 14 stitches, and I'm just going to go up and along and do another row on both sides. I might actually do another row above this because I'm worried that it's like not going to fit around my shoulders. Yeah, I'm going to do a third row. BRB. I feel like that'll fit a bit better. Yep. So this is what I've got so far. So I'm just gonna redo this for the back panel, and then I can sew it together. Ran out of yarn, so I need to go to Hobbycraft. Here we go. I've finished the main body of the top, so the front and the back. So I'm just figuring out the armholes. So I've just put it on and popped a couple of stitch markers in, but I feel like it might be a bit too low down. So I might just pop them further up. Just place the stitch markers a few rows up. And I feel like that probably fit a bit better. I'm now gonna sew the sides together and then we'll work on the sleeves. Just slip stitch both sides of the jumper and also this shoulder, and I'm just going to do this shoulder. I'm just going to go through how I rounded out the neck because I forgot to film it. But after we had that sort of rectangle shape, I just went round with half double crochets and did a decrease in each corner on the first row, and then on the next row just went round with no decreases, and it just rounded it out nicely. There we go. I've got one arm completed, and I will go through in a bit more detail showing you how I started. I went round the armhole just through the middle of the double crochets on this sort of panel and round, so around the armhole, and I just went round with single crochets and started doing double crochets down the sleeve. 24 rows of double crochets for the sleeve, and you can do it as long or as short as you want. So cute, and it's just a really simple, easy, chunky jumper to make. Hope you enjoyed, and if you do recreate this pattern, make sure to tag me on Instagram, and my handle is in the description below.